Hi, my beautiful people. This is your girl, Sabina, formerly known as Beauty here on YouTube. Guys, today we are back with another haul. As you know, we are all about fashion on affordable prices. We are about looking good and not paying that price. To all of my new subscribers, thank you so much. Thank you so much. I appreciate you. And to my returning subscriber, my love, thank you for your consistency. Thank you for sticking around. And I hope I continue to bring you content that you got like. So, God, today you can see me smiling because this is the first time I've been to Walmart and found pieces that I love. So, as you know, it is a Walmart haul, guys. We have some clothing from Walmart and I thought I'd share them with you. And these pieces are truly. Um, yes, it kind of went beyond my expectation. I did not get any of these from online. I got everything from in store. So please, if you can, hit your local Walmart. Walmart fashion is stepping up the game. The clothes are quality now. I did not get any accessory because I have too many. But when it came to the clothes, even though I have too many, I just have to show you guys these finds. All right, guys, without me rambling too much, I'm going to go right into the haul and we're going to start up with this dress I have on. This is a denim dress. Guys, you will see the cutaway somewhere, but this dress is absolutely beautiful. The quality of the material is awesome. It is not a thick denim, but it is not thin or flimsy either. They made this dress. If I'm not mistaken, this dress is out of from Free Assembly, and I got it in the size medium. I may look small, but my hips is really big, so for clothes to fit me, it have to be medium. So that's the first one, and I will tell you the prices. I don't recall, but I believe it was around 26 to $32 for this dress. Affordable, affordable. Look for you this dress. If you don't find it online, definitely go in store and find this dress. From Walmart is this pants. They got me with this one because I was like, I think I will return this, but ain't going back. This pants is absolutely gorgeous. When you look at the pants, I love the waistline. I love the pleats that they have on here, and it is long. I am, well, in my hair, I'm 5'7". According to my doctor, I'm 5'5". I'm refusing to be 5'5". But the pants is long. It fits absolutely well. It is not thin by any means. It is a very good fabric. See, I'm gonna have to stand up for you guys with this one. Very good fabric. And this is the back of the pants. And I got this in the size 8. It's a little bit tight, loose, but I am okay with it. Um, Beautiful pants. Wide leg. Just wait until you see how I fit this pants. Absolutely gorgeous. This is this top, and I style it together with the pants. This top I got in the size small because in store they never had a medium. The medium were also out. And I think they had a medium in the black, but I'm not doing another black top. Beautiful cream on top. It have a little bit of opening in the waist. It have a little bit of the puff sleeve. I love that it is tailored, like it's ready tailored to fit. I love that aspect of it. And sorry if I didn't tell you the pants were $26. If a designer make that pants, no kidding, it would be over $700. And this top, like I said, it's a size small. It's 4'6". It fits me, but I would rather have had a medium with this one. So I would say if you're getting this, definitely maybe go a size up, or stick with your size. If you are true small, 4 to 6, I would stick with that. But if you're in the medium, I would go definitely the medium, because sometimes medium can be a 6, but this is a small 6. So I will go up a size if I'm a size medium. Instead of getting 4'6", I would get like maybe the 8'10". And this is by the Scoop brand, and it is $24, like I said, for a really beautiful cream. Come on, guys, right? We got no excuse this summer, okay? Walmart, like, no excuse. Go out, be looking fabulous. Next Walmart piece I have is another dress. This dress is like t-shirt up, and then it's like I think this would be like a mixed linen in the bottom. I love it. It is really pretty. It is not my size, but because I love it, I pick it up just so I can show you guys. And besides, I have a lot of white dress, so I definitely am going to return this. But when I'm telling you, white is a staple. I don't listen to that no white after Labor Day, honey. We wear what we want to wear, right? So when I dress this up for you guys, I start a two-way. I kind of dress it up, and then I kind of tune it down. So you can wear this on an absolute low, and you can turn this up like on a vacation. You can wear this and walk around and throw you a heels, put a belt on your waist, and you are good to go. You will see how I did it, guys. It have pockets. Absolutely love. I wish every designer understand women, we need to put our hand in some kind of pocket. I don't care how fancy the dress is. Put some kind of pocket there, make it sleeve like, I don't mind paying an extra $10 just for a pocket on a dress. But this dress is gorgeous. I remember buying a dress from Nordstrom, about the same quality. That dress for $50. Guys, this dress is $26. So it still save you a little bit, and the quality, the feel, oh my God, you guys should feel this dress. The quality, it is absolutely lined with the same material. So you are getting the quality for less than the price. Beautiful, beautiful dress. The pocket is a little bit, you can see the pocket a little bit if you look close, but I don't mind. This is absolutely cool. One more piece I have is another dress. Love, love, love this as well. This dress is just on like a baby doll aspect, and then you can leave the waist like loose, or you can cinch this in. I show you guys in the colorway how I did it both ways, and it's a little bit tame, but look at this pocket. Are you kidding me? Beautiful, beautiful. I love the tone of color. This is just neutral. I know most often when we think spring, summer, we're thinking about all these pop of colors, but there is nothing wrong with wearing you a little nice neutral dress like this that have cream, it have a little bit of blue, it have a little bit of white. This is absolutely gorgeous. I love the sleeves. Just absolutely stunning dress. This dress is by the brand Time and True, and it said it was designed with the planet in mind. So these people are using like recycled material and making the clothes, which I don't mind. This is what I recycle, because we need to help our planet, and this way I love it. This dress is $16.98, $17. And when you dress this up and go out, everybody think you put so much effort and you spend a lot more money for this. Whereas you just got you a $17 dress that makes you beautiful, and you still helping to save the planet. So absolutely, absolutely love it. Go to Walmart. This is not a paid partnership. I don't get paid partnership for anybody. I am praying a day is coming. It's coming soon. But I'm just telling you how we can be fabulous. fabulous, fabulous on the next Walmart piece is this dress. I love this dress. This is just like a chiffon. This just gave me like a Versace kind of vibe in mind. And this dress, if you see it, you know it's a person who loves wearing clothes that made this dress. This is by how you call her? Sofia Vergara. You know that girl is stylish. That woman is stylish, beautiful. Sadly, I have to. If this dress was small, I was going to keep it, but it's an extra small. Even though it fit, I know it's not going to stay long in my closet like I wanted to. Plus, this was on sale, guys, for $8. $8. My daughter don't usually wear clothes like this, but this is absolutely, absolutely gorgeous. Just remind me on something about Versace. Like beautiful, beautiful, beautiful dress. I love this dress. Yeah. Guys, look online. I'm pretty sure because her clothes usually stay around the $40. Sometimes they even go up for $60 in Walmart. But if you in store, I guess this was like sold out and this was like the last one. So they kind of got it down on a later price. But yes, this is like a midi dress. Beautiful. Love. My next Walmart piece is this dress from Jessica Simpson for Walmart. Beautiful dress as well. Like I said, it's a sprinkling, a little bit sprinkly color. It like a blue and white, and it have like little flowers. Yep, beautiful dress. I absolutely love this as well. This is what they would consider maxi. This would be maxi for some people, for me, it is a midi dress. But love it as well. It have this sleeve that you can just like, you can actually leave it on your shoulder, but when I started here, we gotta show a little bit of this cleave up here, not cleavage, but we gotta show a little bit skin. So I kind of put it down a little bit. It have this elastic in the back, and it has zipper that comes down. I got it in a size medium. I said I got hips, so it was kind of a little bit tight on me in the hips area. But I feel like if I even get it in like let's say if I get it in a large, it would be too large for me. So maybe stick with your size when you go for this one. I'm not sure if this is lined. Yep, it's lined, but the fabric is very thin. So I would say maybe this is like I don't know which fabric, but I know Jessica Simpson made some good clothing. I give it to her. She made some very good fashion clothing. So that she get. So this dress, it was for $29 in Walmart. And I'm not sure of the suggested retail price is $29. So Jessica Simpson sells more than this. So I think this is her exclusive for Walmart at this price. Is my absolute pick for this Walmart haul. This dress is by the School brand, and when I saw it in store, it's the most expensive among them. I knew definitely I was not going to return it, even if I return everything here, because this just gave me absolute runway kind of dress. Love it. So it's a two-tone dress. This is black and white. This is the front of the dress. So this is the front and this is the back. It's also have this little drip down. This is a ballroom. This is I am here and you're going to see me. I don't care what you think. I don't care what you feel. I'm here. Look at me. You know what I mean? This is like when your girls were hating on you and they think you are not all that, and you're like, okay, look at me now. This is it right here. The look at me kind of dress right here. This is absolutely gorgeous. All right, guys. So I am so excited. I'm talking more than I should because of this Walmart haul. But this brings us to the end of this my little mini Walmart haul. I hope you like everything in this haul because I absolutely love everything that I got in this haul. I feel like these pieces is just classic. It's just elegant, and you did not spend a lot. All of these pieces came out to less than $200. If I had bought these pieces in other places, this is close to $500 to $1,000. So you can save your money, and like I said, you don't have to buy them one. You can go in there, find the one that you like, and pick them and wear them. Until then, boo, I will see you in the next video. Remember to be kind to yourself and be kind to others. Our world is crazy. Our world is just messed up, but we can still be kind to ourselves and others. And I will see you in the next one. Bye.